Hi, it's Andrew. This video is meant to show you what an elevator inspection looks like. Our inspection process was developed internally and is carried out on a proprietary iPhone app, but would be similar to American Society for Mechanical Engineers standards. So let's get started. The elevator review always starts in the machine room. It's important for the inspector to understand that the equipment safety circuits have not been jumped or otherwise compromised before moving on to other parts of the elevator. Within an electrical controller that governs the movement of the elevator, we are looking at such elements as relay contacts, quality of wiring, fuse sizes, and grounding. From there, we move on to rotating machinery that actually drives the elevator and look at bearings, oil leakage, condition of wire ropes, and the drive shafts. In many cases, we use a thermal camera to look for overheating circuit boards, brakes that are dragging, poor electrical commutation, and even fuses that are close to blowing. You can find more about that on our website. Most jurisdictions in North America have recently adopted the requirement for a Maintenance Control Program, or MCP. This means there should be a detailed logbook in the elevator machine room, and part of our work would be reviewing its completion. From the machine room, we would generally move on to the lobby and observe the elevator buttons and signal lights. If there's multiple elevators, we would be checking that the system is dispatching correctly. Moving to the interior of the elevator cab, we observe its operation from the perspective of a passenger. We look for burn bulbs and correct directional control. Elevator speed and accelerations can be judged by feel by an experienced inspector, but as a backup, a PM2 computer precisely measures and records all parameters in 3 dimensions. The elevator pit, or bottom of the shaft, contains various components such as buffers, counterweight guards, and the bottom of the rails. A common problem here is water infiltration, which leads to mold and odors. From the top of the elevator, we can take control of it and move the cab through the hoistway, or shaft, observing the back of the landing doors, door operators, ropes, and other components. All of these observations, recordings, and deficiencies are then compiled in a report, with the full version going to our client, and often an abbreviated version going to the elevator contractor, along with required timelines for completion of the deficiency items. So that's a very brief overview of an elevator inspection. The full review would cover off over 200 checkpoint items. Even so, the inspection's only as good as the person doing the review. That's why we employ professional engineers and elevator mechanics with years of industry experience. Thanks for watching.